Hopefully this don't fall off the damn windshield again. Stay on the windshield. Just fell off me the last time I put it on there. Just almost ran out of gas. I shut off for low fuel. It was looking like I still had fuel, but so it was on empty. Yeah, we got a bit of a storm coming. It's already starting to snow. Calling for a bit of a big storm, it's supposed to be. First snowstorm of the spring. And it's coming down good. Starting to. Ain't really staying on the roads yet, but it will in a little bit, I'm sure. Stay up my fucking ass, buddy. People like the fucking tailgate, eh? So 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just gonna go for a coffee, but coffee at home. I'll hit her back. Let's hit her back. Before the roads get too bad, I don't mind myself driving, but there's a lot of idiots that can't drive. You got these people who will stick right up in your fucking ass behind you, thinking that if they hit their brakes, there's no way they figure they're going to hit you, but just some people are idiots. Some drivers. Yeah, snow's coming out good. Yeah. Try and get back before it gets too bad here. Oh, it's shitty up here. Damn right it is. I can't even barely see here. It's snowing that bad up here. Yes, sir. Wicked. Wicked. Wipers out there. See Frigo. It's like a fucking whiteout. It's whiteout, man. Yeah, I guess that's why they were calling for a blizzard. I can see why they were calling for blizzard. this would be it. Funny thing, when it hit all of a sudden. It's like kaboom, and it hit. Unreal, man. This is great stuff to be driving, man. Great. Fucking roads. Roads are not the best. I want my camera to come off there. Now, if I can get back without someone smashing into me, nice. I don't have far to go there. It's only up over the hill. Up the street. Oh, buddy, get off the road. Should turn my four-wheel drive on, I guess, but I'm not. So I put it in four-wheel drive, and I don't want to come out of it. So I won't dare do that, not unless I need to, unless I got to. I ain't driving through much snow or anything yet, so anyway. Slip and slide in there, all over the place. Slippy slidey. Holy shit, it's not greasy, is it? It's greasy. Well, I'm almost back. I never hard to believe how fast it could get bad. From probably what, 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. It went from not too bad, just snow, to a fucking full-blown blizzard. Hey, something else. Something else, that is. That's what you call shitty. Good for skidoos, I guess. Good for skidoos and bikes. I'm back. I guess I'm gonna have some shoveling to do tomorrow. I don't want to fucking think about it, but looks like I'm gonna have some shoveling to do, yeah. Get in on the other side there without my fucking car out of there. Probably not. Probably not. That's all. It's too much fucking snow there. I'll never get in there. Never ever get in there. I'll keep it on the side there, I guess. Anyway. Stop that.